Most people don't think about controlling their water. They assume it's already handled by the city, by companies, by systems they never see. And for a long time, that feels acceptable. Because water is always there. You turn the tap, it flows. You go to the store, it's stocked. No reason to question it. Until something shifts. Not suddenly, gradually. It starts with small doubts. Taste changes. Quality concerns. Stories from others. Nothing definitive, but enough to create discomfort. And once that discomfort appears, people start paying attention. They begin to realize something simple. They don't actually control their water. They depend on it. That's the first layer. Awareness. And awareness changes behavior. At first, people try the obvious solutions. Bottled water. It feels safer, more controlled. But over time, cost builds. Effort increases. Dependency becomes obvious. So they look for something else. Next comes filtration. A more permanent solution. Something installed at home. And for many, this feels like progress. Because now, they're doing something. Taking action. But over time, new challenges appear. Maintenance. Replacement. Uncertainty about performance. So again, they're managing the system. Not fully controlling it. That's when the shift happens. Because people stop asking, what should I use? And start asking, how can I control this myself? That's the turning point. The real issue isn't water quality. It's ownership. The real issue isn't purification. It's dependence on external systems. And once that becomes clear, people start exploring different paths. Some look into advanced systems. More complex. More powerful. But often expensive. Others look for simpler setups. Things they can understand. Build. Adjust. Control directly. Because control only feels real when it's in your hands, not hidden behind a process you don't see. And that's why this movement is growing. Not because people want something extreme, but because they want something predictable, something they can rely on, without constantly questioning it. If you want to explore how some people are approaching this in a more practical and accessible way, there's a structured breakdown in the description that shows how it works step by step. And if you're interested in content that helps you understand how to take control over everyday essentials like this, consider subscribing. Because once you take control of one thing, you start questioning everything else.